Hi, welcome to this video. So we've carried this twist for 4 weeks now, and I've tried to retwist some of them, the ones at the edges, the ones at the back, the ones at the front, and of course with natural hair, even, and then her hair texture, even 3 days after, it starts looking rough again. But I don't want to wash the hair yet because she's currently doing a hair growth challenge, sort of. So after these 4 weeks, I've checked the hair and it's not dirty, because all we just did since these 4 weeks is just try to moisturize with light oils and spray water from time to time. So you can see that it's detangling. This one is part of the ones that I retwisted about 5 days ago, and this is what we have at the root. Is not dirty also, and it's not difficult to unravel, and I didn't even apply anything to unravel it, so it's free of frizz. I'm wondering why this one tangled a little bit here. Okay, so for this one, there's product build up here, and that's the reason I want to clean up the scalp and her hair as well. But it's just here, so I don't know if it's product build up or what she applied on her face, the clay mask that she used. I'm not seeing any products build up here. So as per the health of the hair over the past 4 weeks, you can see that the curls are still in place. There's no frizz or tangle, so the hair is still free to stay for some weeks. But we need to keep the scalp clean, and also for the hair to shine and for us to be able to apply more products without issues. So for me to clean the scalp without washing with water and shampoo, I'll be using some water, and then I'll add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, raw apple cider vinegar, right? So I'll add some here, and I will use a solution to clean the scalp and her hair as well. So this is ordinary water, and this is apple cider vinegar. Now, because apple cider vinegar is fermented, it's very helpful for hair growth, clears any bacteria that might, this is how it looks, clears any bacteria that might be in the hair, and then help the hair to shine and be healthier. So this way we can still carry the hair for some weeks again and still be able to apply hair oils, conditioner. So I'm just using a handkerchief to get some of the solution, and then I'll use it to wipe her. So for instance, this place that looks like there's a build-up, you can see that the solution is taking it off already immediately. Doesn't waste time. So that can tell you, can you see the product build-up? So this shows you that with apple cider vinegar you can have a clean hair and shiny hair, and also be able to carry your hair longer without worrying about washing. You can apply it with a spray bottle if you want, but you must make sure that you use a cotton wool. Well, I don't really recommend cotton wool. Use cotton napkin to clean. That way the scalp will be clean, clear, and healthy again. So I'll do this part later on and I will show you the result. If you can see, the hair is already looking moisturized. So being on a natural hair journey for my child has been a wonderful experience, and I've noticed that it takes a big time investment, of course, investment in products and styling. But when it comes to styling, I noticed that with natural hair, you can't keep it for too long. Depending on your hair texture, in a matter of 7 days, the hair that was looking very neat and very fine the day was made is already looking rough and all, and you'll be tempted to make the hair afresh, but that is time wasting for me, and it's not so healthy for the hair because you end up playing with the hair, so to say, every now and then. For those who comb, you'll be combing the hair, say, every week, and that's so much stress for the hair. So I found out a way to ensure that my daughter can carry her hair nice and fresh without me having to wash it or replait it every 7 days or even every 2 weeks. So she's carried this hair for 4 weeks now, and you can see that the twist is still looking good after I finish cleaning it with this solution. So as you watch the video, you get to find out what I'm using to cleanse her hair and also to promote hair growth and hair health, aside the products that I'm using for her. I mean the hair products, the hair oil, butter, shampoo, and all of that. So you can see that the hair is looking very clean. Like yesterday, I felt like loosening the hair to have another plait, but I just don't have that time, and I realized that this trick still works. So this is her hair that was looking old, now refreshed. I also like to use my conditioner. I like to apply some conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner, to the hair to keep it well moisturized and all. Like this. Just make sure that the oil gets to her scalp. Take little. No tangles at all. So if you want, you can go ahead to retwist them this way, so it can last for maybe another 2 to 3 weeks, or you will just leave the child carrying it like this, or even for an adult this also works, depending on your hair texture. You see that there are no tangles, so I'll just retwist this one. Alright, so this is how you can refresh your hair and extend your styling. So after this, you just air dry the hair, or you use a hand dryer to dry it out, and keep oiling and keep protecting it from breakage, and you will see your hair will do well. So we are aiming for another 3 to 4 weeks. If there will be need for me to retwist any of these sides, I will still carry you along. But see what I'm telling you, these ones are the original twist for 4 weeks. This is it. Can you see? These ones I retwisted them. This one is just about 7 days. You see that there's really no difference between this and this. These ones were retwisted. So I think the best bet is for you to just clean it up refresh with your products and enjoy your style. So thank you for watching. If you have questions, you can ask in the comment section, and I'll be there to respond.